Menteri Badai Pej Yakatanat PWD ha kejelau balong ru sembut Menteri Rangba kejelau ba Preston Tensong. Ulai itu ba JINGSLEM jongka NHI DCL ban PYNTREI ka SUROK SHILLONG TAMABIL Road. Dei nak PYN-EH jongki TRAI JAKA ban ai ki JAKA ki jongki. Ka ba hadu menta ka sorkar kelala ban yo ki JAKA kumba khandai 4% henrei tang kumba 10% PYNTREI ban ai la ki JAKA ki jongki. Menteri ulo ongru badon ki bakno eka sorkar halor baka klemla ban ai JAKA kane KADEI namar badon na ki benta bahadien baka sorkar kalaya kren bat ki kattu katne ki TRAI JAKA henrei PYNTREI ban ai la ki JAKA. Ula benrap susu da ka baong baki ru kombat JAKA ha ka jella Meghalaya kalong baya ki JAKA la long TRAI de ki kur lani ki riu simen baka sorkar kamla ban sukni haba PYNTREI ban ai watla ka sorkar ka don ka ain ru. Ula buru ka jingkerpa di kibri ke badan bentalang lani ki TRAI JAKA daga baong bawat julong khwan mentoi marwei badai ban ai ka jinge trelang namar balada ya kane ka surok lala ban pendem kan long ka jing mentoi yaki badi ki nong song snong hi barok ka wei.
No, see, the problem is as far as Shillong TAMABIL road is concerned, we do have 5 packages. Package 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unfortunately, package 1 and package 5, these contractors, they surrender it. Then now in HIDCL, they are in the process of retendering. Okay, that is one part. So I saw in the press statement, somebody says that they blame the state government because we could not provide land, we could not transfer land. Of course, there are sections of these places where till now we have to negotiate with the landowners. People sometimes they just blame the government. Why not they help us out to come out of this chronic problem that we have? Because the land tenure system here in Meghalaya is what? The land belongs to the individual. If the individual A is not willing to part land, can you do anything? You cannot do anything. Though if we have law in hand, can you do? Because the land belongs to the individual. The land belongs to the clan. So therefore, you know, I used to talk about this time and again. I request all the stakeholders, please cooperate. Don't be so selfish. At least if road construction is there, this is for the benefit of you and also for the benefit of the state as a whole. So like Shillong-Dawki road is so important. Few stretches, as I said to you, I feel pity, or Deputy Commissioner could not sleep. She has to personally go also to convince the landowners. In spite of that, some of them, they said, no, we are not willing to part the land. So these are the issues where ultimately it takes a lot of time. The challenges that we have is so huge. But as far as Shillong-Dawki road is concerned, I think the land issue left is maybe maximum 10%. But 90% we already handed over the land to the NHI. Yeah, these two projects, these two packages, retendering process has started. No, it seems, you know, because these companies are from outside the state. Initially, maybe while quoting the rate, because see, ultimately, be it state beauty, be it the Ministry of National Highway, be it NHI, what they have to do is, L1 has to be considered. Whoever quoted below, highest, means he will get it. So I've seen it in these packages. Mostly those companies or those contractors, they quoted below 26%, 30% below of the DPR. Okay, so maybe one of the major reasons why they have to surrender, ultimately when they come down to the spot, they saw if we walk, we will be losing. So therefore, they surrender it. And their earnest money is forfeited. But they don't mind. If EMD is forfeited, still they don't mind than losing 30, 40 or 20 crores.